Skill development. Play helps lion cubs develop essential hunting skills like stalking, pouncing, and wrestling. Social bonds. Through play, cubs build strong social bonds with their siblings and other pride members. Coordination and strength. Play activities enhance their physical coordination and strength. Mock fights. Lion cubs often engage in mock fights, which prepare them from real confrontations in the future. Learning hierarchy. Play helps cubs understand and establish their place within the pride's social structure. Exploration. Cubs use play to explore their environment and learn about their surroundings. Parental interaction. Adult lions sometimes join in the play, teaching cubs important survival skills. Imitation. Cubs learn by imitating the behaviors of older lions during play. Energy outlet. Play provides a safe outlet for the cubs' abundant energy. Problem solving. Through play, cubs develop problem-solving skills that will be crucial for hunting and survival. Lion cubs' playful behavior is not only adorable but also crucial for their development.